Okay, most of you seasoned friends of mine are going to think this video is silly. However, just this weekend, my oldest daughter asked me how to make rice. So it came to mind that I guess not everybody knows how to make rice. And from what my experience has been, everybody does it differently. Some people wash it off before they boil it. Some people don't. Some people put it in when the water's cold. Some people don't. Some people boil the water and then add the rice. Some keep it cooking the entire time. Some boil it and then turn it off. And mine is going to be probably different than the way you do yours. But this video is how to make plain boiled white rice. So the first thing I'm going to do is, because I'm making chicken and rice for dinner, I'm going to be making quite a bit. And the first rule of making rice is using twice as much water as you do rice. So I'm going to make 2 cups of rice, and I'm going to need to use 4 cups of hot water. So I've got my measuring cup here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, I'm using 4 cups of water because I'm going to make 2 cups of rice. So the next thing I'm going to do over here is I'm going to be putting in a little bit of olive oil in my water. You can also put butter, a little bit of butter, margarine, whatever, and a little bit of salt. And I do this also when I'm boiling noodles. It seems to prevent it from sticking. So I'm going to turn this on and get it to a boil. Once it's boiling, I'll be putting in my rice. Okay, so here we have the boiling water, and I've already measured 2 cups of rice. So I'm just going to pour this in the boiling water. When it comes back to a boil, I'm going to let it boil for a few minutes uncovered. And then after that, I'm going to put the lid on and turn it down low until it's finished cooking, which is usually at least 10 minutes. So I'm going to boil it about 2 to 3 minutes and then put the lid on and reduce the heat all the way down to like 2. It doesn't take that long for it to start boiling again. And while it's doing this boiling, I stir it. You don't touch it. After you're letting it sit on low, you don't touch it. You don't take the lid off. You just let it steam. But while it's boiling, you do stir it up so it doesn't stick, or it'll get all clumpy. If you get any clumps, just smash them against the side of the pot so they break apart. There's even some people that I know that have never made rice. They always just get the boiling bag rice. You'd be surprised who actually doesn't know how to make rice. So it's basically a constant stir for the couple of minutes while it's boiling. And then I've got my lid on and I'm gonna turn it down until it's done. I'm gonna leave it on this low for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, as you can see, my rice is done. So now I'm gonna turn it off. And you can see that it's done all the way through to the bottom. It's cooked perfectly. There's no water left. It's all steamed throughout the rice. So that's how I do it. I hope it helps someone out there who's just learning how to cook. Some young woman or man who just doesn't know how to make rice. Alright, and thanks for watching.